Hello children, how are you? I hope you are well at home. In the last class, we discussed about textual questions. Okay, so in this class, we have to see the remaining questions in the lesson seeds and seeds. Which lesson? In the lesson seeds and seeds. Okay, ma? Now, see the question and answers. So see here page number 43. This is the experiment to you. You have to do it at home. I already done it and gave you as an answers. Okay ma. See here what we have to do for this experiment. So see here we have to take some chana and 3 bowls. For this we have to take 3 bowls. Bowl, so see here, this is the bowl 1, bowl 2 and bowl 3. Okay, in these 3 bowls we have to take chana. Chana means senagalu. Okay ma. So now next put 5 chana in the first bowl. How many? 5 chana in the first bowl and fill it up with water. What we have to do? So in the first bowl we have to take 5 chana and fill it with water. Okay. Now put a damp piece of cloth. Damp piece means wet. Okay. Piece of wet cloth or some cotton also. No problem. Anyone you have to take it. Okay. Put a wet cloth in the second bowl. Wet cloth or cotton, no problem. Okay ma. So take a wet cotton and put it in the second bowl. Now keep the same number of chana in it. How many? We have to take in the second bowl 5 chanas. Okay ma. So make sure that the cotton wool or cloth remains wet. What we have to do? ఎప్పుడు కూడా వెట్టగా ఉండేలాగా చూడాలి. Okay ma. Now in third bowl, okay, put the same number of chanas in the third bowl. Okay, do not put anything else in it. No need to put anything. Okay, cover all the 3 bowls. Okay, 3 bowls ni em cheyali? Cover cheyali, మూత పెట్టుకోవాలన్నమాట. ఫస్ట్ బౌల్లో ఏం తీసుకున్నాము? 5 chanas. What we have to do? First bowl we have to fill it with water. Fill it with water. Okay. In the second bowl just we have to kept a wet cotton or cloth. Okay. In the third bowl we didn't take anything. Okay. So now observe what happened. Okay. What happened? So we have to note down what happened in these 3 bowls. Okay, bowl 1, bowl 2 and bowl 3. Okay, so here already one question answer was given in your textbook. Okay, are the seeds getting air? First bowl, was it getting air? See here, it was filled with water. That's why he didn't take any air. Okay. Now second bowl. Okay. Does it get air? Yes. It gets air. And third one also it get air. Now you have to write these 3 questions answer in your own. After completing the experiment you have to write the answer. I will give you answers. I did the experiment. That's why I gave you answers. Okay. Are the seeds getting water? In bowl 1, yes, it gets water. And second one, yes, we take it wet cloth. But in third bowl, we didn't pour any water. That's why it didn't get any water. Okay. Now, third one, what changes did you see? Okay, what happened? Chanas have swelled up. What happened? In the first bowl, we fill it with water. First bowl we pour some water. That's why the seeds of first bowl swelled up. Chanas have swelled up. What happened in the second bowl? Chanas have sprouted. Sprouted means molakalu. See here. What happened in the second bowl? Here chanas have sprouted. What happened in the third bowl? Here we don't have any change. We couldn't observe any change. That is the answer. There is no change. Okay, ma. Next. Have the seeds sprouted? Have the seeds sprouted? See here in the first bowl. Here the seeds are not sprouted. So what happened in the second bowl? Here the seeds are sprouted. What about third bowl? Here the seeds are not sprouted. Okay. So here you have to write the answer. First bowl, the seeds are not sprouted. No. Second bowl, yes, sprouted. In third bowl, there is no sprouting. Okay. Next. So in the same page, tell and write. First question. In which bowl did the seeds sprout? What difference did you see between this bowl and the other bowls? Okay. So the answer is the seeds sprouted in the second bowl. In this bowl, seeds could get sufficient quantity of both water and air, which are necessary for sprouting of seeds. Okay. Whereas the bowl 1 had water in excess quantity, but not air. Okay. And bowl 3 had air but no water. Okay. So that is the answer. Now the second question is, why did Gopal's mother tie the chana in a damp cloth? Okay. The answer is, Gopal's mother tied the chana in a damp cloth to ensure that the chana seeds get proper water along with air. Okay, what is the reason? So it ensure that the chana seeds get proper water and air. That's why she tied the chana with wet cloth. Okay, children. So that is the reason. Now next one, page number 44. This is also one of the project work to you. You have to do it at home. Okay. So now this is the corona time. That's why you are not entered the school. That's why I am unable to do this activity. But I have done it at home. You have to do it at home. Okay, ma. So what was the project work for you? So in page number 44, what you have to do? Take a clay pot or a tin can with a wide mouth. Make a small hole at the bottom of the can. Fill your can with soil. Put 4 or 5 seeds of the same kind of the soil and press them gently. Different groups can plant different kinds of seeds such as mustard, fenugreek, sesame or coriander. Okay, ma. So what was the project work? ఒక కుండీ తీసుకుని ఆ కుండీలో మట్టి పోయాలి. ఓకే, కుండీ అంటే దానికి ఆల్రెడీ కిందన హోల్ ఉంటుంది కదా. సో దెర్ ఈజ్ నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఎనీ క్యాన్, ప్లాస్టిక్ ఆర్ ఐరన్ క్యాన్, సో దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ ఏ స్మాల్ హోల్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ హోల్ హెల్ప్ టు drain out the excess water. Okay, ma. So then what you have to do? Take any different kind of seeds. What kind of seeds? Mustard. అంటే మన ఇంట్లో ఉంటాయి కదా, ఆవాలు కానీ, మెంతులు, సిజమ్ ఆర్ కొరియాండర్. కొరియాండర్ మీన్స్ ధనియాలు. ఓకే, ఏవో ఒకటి తీసుకోవచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, సి హియర్ నేమ్ వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ సీడ్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్. ఓకే, name of the seed, mustard seeds. Mustard means ఆవాలు. Okay, now the second one, the date on which you planted them. మనం ఎప్పుడు వేసాము. So I kept it in 29th September 2000. Okay, so the day you observe something come out of the soil, start filling the table. So that means observe the changes when you planted 29th September. Okay, so day by day you have to observe the changes and fill the table. Okay, this is the table. It was given in your textbook. Observe it and note down the table. Okay, ma. See here, date, height of the plant, number of leaves seen, any other change. So, what was the date? 7th October. What kind of change you observe? So, here the height of the plant was increased. How much? 1 centimeter. Okay, so leaves, how many leaves you have seen? That means 2 leaves. Is there any other change? There is no other change. Why? Because this is the starting stage. Okay, now 9th October, what happened? Automatically day by day its height was increased. How much? 1.5. So number of leaves, how many? 3 leaves. Is there any other change? No, there is no change. Okay, next 11th October. So the height, how much? 2.5 centimeters. Okay, number of leaves? 4 leaves. Okay, so any other change? Yes, the stem became thicker. Okay, so what happened? If the day by day it was increased means automatically the stem became thicker. అంటే కొంచెం లావుగా అవుతుందన్నమాట. Okay, that is the other change. Okay, next 13th October. How much? The height was 4 centimeters. How many leaves? 6 leaves. Next, any other change? Yes, the stem became even more thicker. So when we observe every day like this, so what happened on 15th October or 19th October, day by day its height was increased and the number of leaves also increased and its stem became thicker and thicker. Okay, these kind of changes we have to observe. Okay, so for this you have to plant take a seed and plant it and observe the changes and note down in your AHW. Okay, children. Now page number 45. Find out how long did it take for the plant to come out from the soil. Okay, it took about a week for the plant to come out from the soil. That means how much time it takes? How much time? 1 week. It took about a week for the plant to come out from the soil. Now the second one is, what was the difference in the height of the plant on the first and the second day? How much weight? So the height increased by about half a centimeter. See here, half a centimeter. Okay. Now the third one is, on which day did the height of the plant increase the most? On which day? And the next day. That means on the 14th day the height of the plant increased most. Okay, so after that it was increased. Okay, ma. Next, fourth one, did new leaves come out of the plant every day? Yes, the answer is yes, new leaves came out of the plant every day. Okay, observe this. Okay, ma. Now fifth one, was there any change in the stem of the plant? Yes, the stem became thicker and thicker by each day. Okay, every day, not only for these 14 days, every day when you observe it, it became thicker and thicker and we observe the new leaves. Okay, children. Now, let's move on to discuss. First one is, which seeds took the most number of days for the stem to come out of the soil? Okay, here we take 4 different kind of seeds now. Mustard seeds, sesame seeds and fenugreek and coriander. Okay, out of these 4 seeds, sesame seeds take most number of days to germinate. That means number of days for the stem to come out of the soil. Okay, now second one, which seeds took the least days to come out of the soil? Okay, so mustard seeds, that means it will germinate early. Okay, now third one, which seeds did not grow at all? Why? Okay, all the seeds had grown well. However, they would not have grown if they had not got proper air and water. Okay, so all the seeds will grow, will germinate. So when it was not germinated, then it didn't get proper air and water. Okay children, so that is the answer. Now next one, did anyone's plant dry up or turn yellow? Why did this happen? Yes, few students means few plants. Few students' plants dried up or turned yellow since there was no proper water or air. Okay, that means it didn't take proper air and water, it will not germinate. Okay, next, automatically it will die. Okay ma. Next, fifth one, what would happen if the plants do not get water? What happened? If the plants did not get water, then it will get dried up. That means it will die. Okay, next, straight from your heart. Okay, the first question is, what is inside the seed? What is inside the seed? There are cotyledons and embryo lying inside the seed. So cotyledons means two cotyledons. That means two halves of the, for example, see groundnut, it has two halves, each one called as cotyledon. Here cotyledon provide nutrients for the embryo. Embryo means small part. The plant will come from the embryo. Okay children, so the embryo get nutrients from the cotyledon. What is inside the seed? There are cotyledons and embryo lying inside the seed. Okay ma. Now second one, how does a big plant grow from a tiny seed? Okay, here the answer is, the tiny seed absorbs water and nutrients from the ground and grows into a big plant. Okay, so that is the answer. What was the answer? The tiny seed absorbs water and nutrients from the ground and grows into a big plant. Okay children, is it clear to you? So after this class you have to complete the tables, two tables. One is for germination, first table in page number 43, and the second one is page number 44. You have to take different kind of seeds and plant it and observe the changes day by day and note down in your AHW. Okay ma. So remaining questions you have to practice without seeing. Okay children, thank you.